Sabyasachi, you are live. Please go ahead.
Well, absolutely. See, a team of Delhi police has reached Swati Maliwal's residence, and see, Swati Maliwal's statement under CRPC 164 will be recorded. Now Delhi police is here. Now the Delhi police would most likely be taking Swati Maliwal with them to record Swati Maliwal's statement in front of the magistrate. This is the process which would be followed by Delhi police. See, we were reporting live from outside Swati Maliwal's residence. A team of Delhi police top official has now reached Swati Maliwal's residence. The car has been parked out here. See, we were telling our viewers that today itself Swati Maliwal's statement under CRPC section 164 will be recorded, and most likely Swati Maliwal would be leaving from her residence shortly and accompanying with the Delhi police. The Delhi police would be taking her to the magistrate to record her statement. This would be a very important process. See, movement out here will show you visuals that Swati Maliwal right now is leaving with. मैम एनी वर्ड स्वाति मालीवाल देखिए यहाँ से निकली है और यहाँ से अब जो स्वाति
मैम एनी कमेंट मैम समथिंग like this, you have to comment on this, ma'am. This is not something usual which has happened. You have been fighting for this very thing for your.
मैम एनी वर्ड
निकलती हुई आपको नजर आएंगी
मैम एनी वर्ड
स्वाति मालीवाल से बात करें। मैम कुछ कहेंगी आप?
मैम
स्वाति मैम कुछ बोलेंगी? स्वाति मैम कुछ कहेंगी?
स्वाति जी अभी तक एक भी स्टेटमेंट।
स्वाति मैम कुछ कहेंगी आप?
मैम एनी स्टेटमेंट?
स्वाति मैम पूरी लाइफ आप इन्हीं मुद्दों के लिए लड़ती हैं।
मैम एनी स्टेटमेंट यू वांट टू से?
स्टेटमेंट आप देना चाहेंगी?
आप दीजिए, मीडिया से बात कीजिए मैम।
मैम आप कुछ कहेंगी? आपने लगातार महिलाओं की लड़ाई लड़ी है। विभव कुमार ने क्या किया आपके साथ? क्या मुख्यमंत्री क्या हुआ था उस दिन? मुख्यमंत्री आवास में ये देखिए।
See, that was Swati Maliwal. She left with the Delhi police, and she is heading towards the magistrate, where she would be recording her statement under section CRPC of 164. Back to you.
Right, Sabyasachi, that's a big development. Sabyasachi was getting us the live visuals and latest update. The Delhi cops reached Swati Maliwal's residence, and she's now being taken with them to record a statement under section 164 of the CRPC, which means the statement will be recorded in front of a magistrate. Bhabtosh is also with us on the broadcast. Bhabtosh, FIR has been filed. Delhi police has launched a manhunt. Now statement being recorded under 164.
Yes, Swati, as per the rule, as per the law, her statement will be recorded under 164 CRPC. Yesterday, Delhi police nearly spent around 4 hours at her residence, and that statement was recorded. In her statement, she in fact gave a very detailed account as to what happened at the CM's residence. In her detailed statement, she narrated what actually she endured, and she said that it was Bibhav who in fact assaulted her, and more importantly that CM was aware of it and CM was present at the residence. Now it's likely that Arvind Kejriwal and others who were present at the residence, their statement will be recorded, and police will also ask the CM staff to give the CCTV footage. Now once a statement is recorded under 164 CRPC, it becomes an evidence, and our evidence will be in fact presented along with a 161 CRPC statement that will in fact will bolster the case of the Delhi police. Now it's more or less clear that Bibhav will be summoned, he will be questioned, since the case has been filed under sections of IPC which are non-bailable. It only means more trouble for Bibhav. Bibhav, as we all know, has been associated with Arvind Kejriwal for a very long time, and his imminent arrest is something that will happen. Either it will happen today itself or it can happen any time now. But the police have said that the very fact that Swati Maliwal gave a very detailed account as to what happened with her makes it more or less clear that Bibhav will be arrested. As far as police is concerned, teams of Delhi police have gone even to Punjab,
right,
and they have said that they have been given a very strict order, a very detailed order that he should be brought to Delhi.